Let's make barbacoa in a crock pot. You're gonna need chuck pot roast, sliced so it's easier to cook in the crock pot. We're gonna add our seasonings, which are caldo de res, garlic salt, and salt. We're gonna get a pan and set it to medium-high heat. Add some olive oil. We're gonna sear our meat for 3 minutes on all sides. Once meat is done being seared, we're gonna add to our crock pot. Now we can start on our sauce. In our blender, we're gonna add an onion and a garlic clove, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1/3 of lemon juice, whole can of chipotle, 2 cloves. Sorry, I don't measure my seasonings, but you're gonna need garlic salt, pepper, salt, oregano, caldo de res, and a tiny bit of ground cumin. Now we're gonna blend that all together and add it all to our crock pot. In our crock pot, we're gonna add 2 bay leaves. This part is optional, but you can add stuffed olives, carrots, and potatoes. We're gonna cover, I like to cook mine on high for about 5 to 6 hours. Once our meat is very tender, it's ready to enjoy. This goes best paired with beans and rice. It's so fire.